Yo, what's up? I got parts. What's going on, man? So, opened it up.
Yeah, man.
How's everything looking?
Fucking good, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. Really, really good.
Nice. Head looks nice, huh?
Yeah.
Looks clean.
Exhaust valve closed perfectly.
Yeah?
No bend. Small valve too.
That's good.
Yeah. Only we leave the head just for a little something on the head.
Yeah, it started a little bit.
It
Yeah.
started. But,
We caught it. I put the nitrous in third gear, middle of third, and all of fourth. So, I mean, I don't know, maybe...
once it's dialed in.
Yeah, once it's dialed in. You know, we did our first run, it was too rich. The next run, we took out fuel. The next run, you know, so we'll see. But it looks good. Yeah, I'm sure we'll get it right.
Perfect.
So what, we change the nitrous shot or what? Oh yeah.
Little crack.
What are we doing here?
crack baggies.
So we're gonna change the jet, huh? I think we're gonna change the jet. What do we do? 184 point something mile an hour? So what's our goal now? 190. So yeah, so we're gonna open up the transmission. We'll see where things are going with that. Look how smooth that spins. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. We're gonna see what's going on. We definitely did some damage to second gear. We knew it already, you know, before we opened it, we already know we did damage to second gear. So I called right away and we got the parts shipped in. So all right, so I cleaned it up. I'm about to open it. Just wanted it to look good. I mean, obviously the dogs are going to be rounded. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, the dogs are definitely rounded. Second gear looks awesome. Third gear looks awesome. First gear, third gear, fourth gear, everything, every gear looks awesome. So definitely the selector bent. Shame because everything was new. Ah, il va très bien. I'm trying to do this all one hand, so bear with me. Got it. Looks really good. That looks really, really good. Everything's perfect. The only thing that's damaged is second gear because of what happened. The slider and second. So I got slider second brand new from Gats. Second slider. That's going in and we're all good. It's getting reassembled, thrown back in like that. And we're ready to go out and race. All right, so we're about to put the transmission back together. Everything looks good other than what we really basically knew already was going to be a problem. So our second gear, because of the shift cut that I obviously didn't make long enough and the gear wanted to stay in its place. Oh, what was that? Oh, a little bit of gasket maker. So other than the shift cut, because of the shift cut, that's what happened to the gear dogs. The gear dogs rounded off. So we got new gears from Gats. Gats was really quick on the shipping. He shipped them out on Monday. I got them today. I didn't expect that. I was actually in the middle of having one of my older gears recut on the dogs. But I called up RD Turbo that was doing it, and I said, hey, don't worry, you don't gotta finish it for today because our package came in. So that was amazing. We got a spare too. We got an extra one. All the rest of the dogs are beautiful. Everything else is absolutely perfect. There's no marks anywhere. Everything's clean. You know, there's no damage on any teeth. Everything's perfect. So we're just gonna change second gear, replace this second with the new one, and then we're going to replace the slider. The slider too had the same damage. Put this brand new slider over here, and we're good to go. So sorry we skipped the part. I needed two hands. Okay, I'll put the gun on the camera again. And Max is double checking everything, checking the bearings. It's always good practice, you know, between every time we go to the track, at least you see the problem before it happens. Last time we didn't do that, and you know, I have a feeling that that was probably the reason why we had issues. So Max, you torque them with the impact, right? You just as hard as they go, or
Yeah.
is there a setting on it? 1, 2, or 3? Oh, it's not a Milwaukee, it's a snap-on. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, good job, man. All right, got everything back together. Now we're gonna throw it back inside the casing and close it all up. We've already basically shimmed and measured everything here, so it's going back in pretty quickly, pretty easily. I will throw on the window case just to see that, you know, everything lines up right, the forks line up right, and then I'm gonna double check the selector. So in terms of the gear set, everything should be dead on, but in terms of the selector, we definitely have an issue where the selector bent, and so since the selector bent, we're gonna have to either change it for another one, or maybe I'm gonna attempt to bend this one back. We'll see what happens. I don't know if I'll figure out what happened to it, and we'll see. It's gonna be the first time we're attempting this, so we'll see. But the interlock looks beautiful, perfect, doing its job. Looks really good. Oh my god. Okay. So basically what happened is the whole assembly shifted out. So the pin is not riding fully inside the what would it be called? The pin isn't riding fully inside the this like kind of cage here, and it's not all the way in. But that's not what's causing the problem. The problem is that when the car is in neutral, basically you're pushing forward first gear and third gear. It doesn't push third and fourth. So I looked at it and I see that it's like bent outward. So I mean, we don't really have a choice. We're going to try to do something better than doing nothing. We don't have any other selectors. All of them are bent. So we're going to try to bend this one back straight. At least we can make it up for tomorrow. Let's pull out the big tears. So, if you guys want to send in your selectors, you can send them over here.
Selectors rebuilt.
No. I'm gonna have to bring out the precision tools.
This one?
Yeah, that's it. You found it, Max. That's the one. All Alright, so let's get the precision tools out. Now it's slipping out before this thing. I think we should stop filming. Yeah, that definitely fixed it. We're good. We're good.
Ok, bye.
Relax.
Quoi?
Like, no joke. I'm not even joking. It's literally. Look, I drilled a hole here.
Cette caisse-là, il y a des windows partout, hein?
There's windows on everything. Yo, it's literally look like. Okay, look. It's in neutral. Okay. Which one's going up and down, bro? First isn't moving, bro. It's literally moving third and fourth. Right, precision tools dedicated for selector repairs. Anybody that needs a selector repair, just let me know, send it over. I promise I'll get it right. I have a level, and then I check it with it. Yeah, it's a little bit too far towards reverse and fifth. Like we actually bent it a little too much. But actually bent. I can't believe it. So
C'est fait, on va pas le faire.
okay, no, but for real, guys, I kind of realized that there's a better way to do this. I took it apart before, and then I ended up doing over there, which actually kind of was funny. But with the way I open the case here, the pry bar fits perfectly, where I can either bend out here the body of the selector, or I can put the pry bar this way and bend in the body of the selector. So I bent it just right now. It's dead straight. It's bolted in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it. I'm going to remove it now, and I'm going to find a place. I'm going to inspect it a little bit and find a place where I can weld something to it to stop it from bending back and forth this direction. So let's see if that works. So here, guys, we have Max. He's torquing them to 20 foot-pounds.
Yeah, it is.
He's using a dedicated torque wrench. Specialty tools. All right, so we got a selector. I'm gonna take it out, bring it home, weld it. Maybe I'll show you guys what I figure out what I'm gonna do. Ah, this guy's fucking doing this purposely. Alright, so we got the car running, we're at the track. We just loaded in the file, we put in a jet a little bit harder, hopefully get a little more nitrous. It's starting from the beginning of third, it's ending at the end of fourth for nitrous. The boost fittings are right now, so we should have the right amount of boost. And we're ready to go. Max is gonna take it out. One pass. Ah, okay. For the camera angle to be just right, to get a nice view, so that the scoreboard is seen very well on the video, and we can send it to Miller. Cut! Cut! So, time slip marche pas sur le tableau. Time slips aren't working on the boards. Just our luck, because we had a big flood yesterday, and we're at the track today because it's a nice day. So all the city flooded. Yeah, we're running the track on generators. The time slips on the backboards don't work. So I'm gonna film the run from in here with the boys, and
going to plug the nitrous in.
yeah, because we need to have the footage of the actual car doing the run and the time slip. Basically, a time slip's not allowed. You got to have the actual time on the board, on the video, uncut. What's up?
And I will tell you if it's true or not.
Okay, okay.
Don't worry.
All right, so basically, I'm gonna go to the car. I'm gonna turn on the 360 camera right before he goes to run, and then I'll go up and film the run from the tower. Oh, fuck.
Non. Je vais en habiller pendant ça.
So you want us to click the solenoid again and see if the same problem? So do I get the laptop and we go do that, or? Yeah? So first run, I don't think the nitrous turned on, and then we had boost oscillations. So I adjusted some of the settings on my boost control for when the boost is either over or under our target, and basically the PIDs. I adjusted a little bit the PIDs, and I adjusted a little bit the maximum it can react. Les pneus c'est bon?
If you want to find a space in the world final at mirror line. Like the easy first trip over our real time and the rest of the can be ready. C'est parti pour on roule dans les hautes 175 000 à l'heure. Et à l'autre bout, avec un temps, oui, de 771.
9,64.
170 000 à l'heure. Donc, je donne 7 miles an hour.
Peux-tu filmer par ici? Puis juste filmer le time slip? De côté comme ça. De côté, ça marche plus? Comme ça. C'est bon?
Et on a vérifié la piste, il y a fait cette track, on a vu qu'on a parti des efforts.
L'eau? C'est de l'eau? Qu'est-ce que ça fait? 8,58? The struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real. It's not always butterflies and rainbows. Tabarnak, ça colle aujourd'hui.